How to update your SPD-SX Pro quick and easy. You will need a USB stick and that's what I highly advise you to do, to back up first your SPD-SX Pro. So you will need a USB stick and you need to plug it in at the back where you got the USB slot. Okay, so you can check first which firmware version you are on. You need to go into the menu and then you go to System. There we go, and then in System you will find the system info. You hit enter and you can see your program version 1.11 currently already, because I already backed it up, but you will see if you're on the most actual firmware version here. You can check on the Roland page first which one is the latest one. So if we can see here, version 1.11 is the one released in December 2024. So you first want to make sure that your USB stick is capable of reading the files and communicating with the SPD-SX Pro. So you want to format your stick. So you can go to the backup section here and you want to go to format your stick. So if you hit enter here, you can go into the format menu and then you need to go to OK, and then the USB stick will get formatted to be able to be read by the SPD-SX Pro. Okay, so once you have made this process of formatting, you want to save your SPD-SX data. If you are using a lot of samples and stuff, make sure you have enough space on your USB stick. The USB stick will work up to 32 gigs. That's the info from Roland. I haven't tested this because, to be honest, I mainly use the SX Pro just as a MIDI controller for Ableton Live. If you want to find out more about how to do that, I have a lot of resources and tutorials on that. Okay, so you want to back up your stuff and you want to go in here and perform the whole backup thing here. You hit save, are you sure? You go to OK, enter, and then a whole backup file will be written onto the USB stick. Okay, so the next part would be to download the file from the Roland page onto this USB stick, the new firmware version. So you need to connect this to your computer and you need to go to the Roland page where you will find the latest firmware version. You need to agree, scroll down to the bottom, agree to the licensing of Roland, and then you can download the file. Once you downloaded the file, you can unzip the file. In macOS it will hopefully already be unzipped, and then you can just load this onto your USB stick, which will have the name SPD-SX Pro now because you formatted it on the SPD-SX Pro. So you have a couple of files in here when you download the files, so just making sure you're picking the right one. You will get the zip file here. When you unzip it, you get this folder here, and on this folder you will find the SPD-SX Pro _upa.bin file. You want to copy that file onto your USB stick. Just drag and drop it on here or copy and paste it on the USB stick. Now you disconnect and take the USB stick again, plug it again into your Roland SPD-SX Pro. Alrighty, so now you have your stick, your USB stick inserted into the SPD-SX. Before you want to turn it on, you want to hit and hold down the start and stop button and then turn on the Roland SPD-SX, and it's looking for the file. And as soon as you can see program updater, you can release the button. Now the SPD-SX Pro is in its updating mode and will perform the update. This might take a little time, a few minutes definitely. Once the updating is finished, you will see a sign here, please turn off the power. You can turn off the power, unplug your USB, stick and then turn it on, and then Roland SPD-SX Pro should be, if everything is fine, should be on the newest version you just installed. So you can obviously check this. So if we go to the menu, if we go to system, you can just quickly check if everything went through. We can see now 1.11 in my example here is now the newest updated version here. So as I mentioned before, I mainly use the SX Pro for MIDI and with Ableton Live. So if you want to find out more, I have a lot of Max for Live solutions, like little plugin add-on to navigate and to make the most use of Ableton Live when playing live with the SPD-SX Pro. And you can find a lot of links in the video description here, or just follow my channel. Take care, bye bye.